Alright, I'm finally back. I haven't opened up packs in a minute, man. But we finally back with Ascended Heroes. Low-key, I think this might be the best set of the year. There's so many bangers in here. But yeah, let me get this open. Okay, got it open. So it comes with this coin with Larry. Best character in Scarlet and Violet right here. This promo card, Larry's Kamala. And 2 Ascended Heroes packs. I'm very hyped for this set. I'm waiting months to open this. Alright, let's see what we got. Totodile. Pokepad. This card's really good. Team Rocket's Diglett. Wurmple. Erica's Weepinbell. I'm glad the trainer cards are back. Prism Energy. Ends Vanillux. Fighting Gong. Okay, reprint. Ends Vanillish. Pokeball. Nice. And Lunatone. Alright. Next pack. Can we get an IR at least? Larry's Rufflet. Okay. Dynamo. Silcoon. Dracloak. Ends Vanillux. Trampa. Team Rocket's Factory. Carbink. Dracloak with the Friend Ball. No, I'm not sure what Pokeball that is. And Lunatone again. Wow. Alright, not bad for a first opening. Kind of weird. 2 of the same holos from 2 packs, but kind of weird. But I'll take it.